This video is to teach you how to adjust the chain tension on the 22 caliber Eliminator chain fed magazine. First thing we're going to do is remove the lid, and we notice this chain could use a little more tension. Let you know how this thing works. There's a spring here and there's a spring here, both with bearings. Because of the way the chain is actually retained, there's a little ledge right here. You can see me hooking underneath it. If you notice here, there's no ledge at all. You can see this is, you see no teeth on this side that you do over here. So we're going to always adjust the tension with this one. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little mark here where it was at 12 o'clock. So I just put a little pencil mark right there. I'm only going to make adjustments to the rear wheel, and I'm only going to do it in quarter turn increments. Okay, so the first thing, so this is actually designed to only lift the chain from this side. So I have this fancy little tool, you see here. If you can find something that looks like this, bend a wire, and what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to remove the chain, but very, very important, I need to hold these two wheels still at the same time. Okay, if I let these wheels spin, then I'm going to lose the pre-tension that's on here right now, and you got to kind of start all over again. So we don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my fingers right here, just like this, hold them both. And I'm going to take this chain and I'm going to lift underneath here like this. I'm going to slowly start working it up. Okay? Okay, I've got the chain off. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to make a quarter turn counterclockwise. And then I'm going to roll this chain back on again. Okay? I've just increased the tension. It's that simple. Okay? Put the lid back on and go shoot. If you need a little more tension, you can do it 1/8 of a turn at a time. I wouldn't go too much. If you put too much tension on this, you have a potential of damaging the chain. So you don't want to do that. Okay?